All right, everybody. I got this awesome box here from the Opus and DeepRacer team, so I got to thank you. This is probably really cool, and I know everybody likes those unboxing videos. This is what I'm going to do, an unboxing video. Hopefully, everybody enjoys it. I have been waiting to open it since then, so stay tuned here. All right. Just some more awesome DeepRacer socks. That's good because I kind of wore mine down a little bit here in the underground circuit. Look at this. Here is DeepRacer t-shirt from the summit that we didn't get a chance to go to. So I'm going to say that this is a very unique swag and not many people have them, seeing that the summits didn't happen this year, but no problem at all. Plus my favorite color, gray. All right, what do we got here? Oh, look at this thing. The official DeepRacer jacket. Man, this is pretty cool. We're gonna put this on here. All right, let's give this a try. Let's see if I can stay in my camera view here. Ooh, perfect. What do you think? Pretty good? Awesome. Thank you so much for the swag and the awesome jacket.